our first passion twist down.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? Talk to me. How you doing? In today's video, I'm going to be revisiting one of my favorite natural hair protective hairstyles, but I'm going to be trying a new product today. I'm going to be trying the Blue Magic Shea Butter hair conditioner or hair grease. I have not used this before, and I was quite shocked that Blue Magic had a shea butter grease. Did you guys know that this existed? Did you? If you did, how come you didn't tell me anything? And of course, drum roll, shouts out to Blue Magic for sponsoring this video. We appreciate you. Thank you for holding us down, especially me, by keeping that moisture in my hair. So let's see what it smells like. So it just smells like grease. Doesn't smell like the shea butter. Smells kind of like cocoa butter. So it's the shea butter hair conditioner with coconut fruit extract. So my hair has been prepped, shampooed, deep conditioned, but long story short, I went hiking and I was picking some wilks and my hair got wet, so I had to kind of shampoo again and then condition and then reapply leave-in conditioner. But that's all right, that's okay. We're gonna style this hair anyway. Okay. You guys know I had to take a nap before I did my hair, so my hair is moisturized with the leave-in conditioner. Just gonna unravel it and start parting my hair. And with this style, I'm going to be using rubber bands. So I have my tub of rubber bands with me. Since my hair already has in my leave-in conditioner, all I have to do is apply the grease. Hair is moisturized and ready to go. I am going to be wearing my hair in a bun most likely, or I'm going to tuck my ends away, but I want to have some neat parts. So I have my first section at the back. Gonna apply a little bit of the grease and work my way up. Remember, a little bit goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. I had to say that in slow motion for you guys. One of the reasons I'm trying this rubber band method is because I noticed when I wear a twist, my roots sweat out a lot, and you guys know I'm super active, so that's understandable. But I just want to see if applying rubber bands will keep my hair a little fresher longer. I have my first rubber band on. Now I'm going to twist. I usually do this style on stretched hair, but let's see how this is gonna look on damp hair, kind of wet. Well, damp does mean a little wet or a little dry. Our first passion twist down. Now we're gonna continue. And we are done. So if you guys know me and know me really well, you guys know how I'm gonna rock my hair. So I'm just gonna see how it looks in a ponytail with my ends tucked. So that's why I don't really make a fuss about my parts, because how I usually rock it. I don't want the front to be too puffy. I don't want to put it too tight to put too much pressure on my roots, because the rubber bands are kind of tight. I'm just gonna try to pull some of them so they won't be as puffy. And of course I can wrap my hair out like this and what's not, but I don't really care to. I'm gonna twist it up and do a bun at the back. So we have a protected hairstyle that's moisturized, all caps, and my ends are tucked away, so that's what makes it protective. And y'all, I know my hair will be moisturized for the full week. I may or may not have to redo them to last another week, but that's fine. Hopefully most of the rubber bands don't burst, but if they do, I can just redo it. But I really want to see how the rubber bands are gonna hold up, especially with my roots, because my roots are usually the first to get very frizzy. Let's talk about the Blue Magic Shea Butter hair conditioner. Okay, you guys already know that so far the Indian Hemp is my favorite. The Shea Butter one doesn't give you as much hold as the Indian Hemp, but it's packed with moisture. Like, we know grease doesn't moisturize, I know that, but it just made my hair very, very soft. I didn't have to apply as much as I would apply the Indian Hemp. A little bit did go a long way, and it really softened up my ends, so that's good. It's definitely not as thick as the Indian Hemp. It's a lot more oily, if you know what I mean, and it's a lot more softer, and it's not as thick, but it's super moisturizing. So I'm gonna see how my hair holds up with this one. It's a lot more moisturizing than the Castor Oil Blue Magic. So far, these are the Blue Magic greases that I have tried. I have a few more to try, but the Indian Hemp is still my favorite. And to be honest, I think I like the Shea Butter one more than the Castor Oil. But let me see how my hair holds up for the week using the Shea Butter, and I'll let you guys know. But so far we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. You guys know I usually rock my hair in twists to retain my length. You guys see how long my hair is getting. Humble flex rocking styles like these does keep my hand out of my hair. It keeps my hair off of me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye.